Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I have explained regarding what is an variable and what is meant by comment in Python programming language, along with two programs to demonstrate the usage of variable and the comment in an program in an Python programming language. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends, gain the knowledge and rule the world. Variable. A variable in Python refers to an object. It can be an item or an element that is stored in our memory. What is the value of a variable? The value of a variable can be a string, example, within a single quotes X, within a single quotes Charles Babbage. Even we can use double quotes. And it can be a numerical value, example 345, or any combination of alphanumerical characters, example CD 0007. In Python, we can use the assignment statement to create new variables and assign specific values to them, that is by using an equal to operator. Variable declaration is implicit in Python programming language. That means what? The variables are automatically declared and defined when they are assigned a value at the first time. When the variables are assigned a value for the first time, they are automatically declared and defined. Variable must also be assigned the values before they are used in the expression, or otherwise it will lead to an error in the program. Wherever a variable name occurs in an expression, the interpreter replaces its value of that particular variable. Comments. Comments, as you know, it is used for the purpose of self-explanatory. It is used for the purpose of making the explanation regarding the program, making the explanation regarding a specific line in a program, specifying about the author, specifying about the programmer, etc. So comments are used to add a remark or note in a source code. Comments are not executed by the interpreter, as in other programming languages also. The comments are not being executed, they are just used for the purpose of explanation, usage, etc. So here also in Python programming language, they are not executed by the interpreter. They are added with the purpose of making the source code easier for humans to understand. Then why the comments are used? As I told, they are used for the purpose of self-explanation. That means they are used primarily to document the meaning and the purpose of the source code and its input and output requirements, so that we can remember later how it functions and how to use it. Even though you have written the program, you may remember today, tomorrow, later after 1 week you remember, later after 15 days you remember, after months you remember, but after an year you won't remember. For that purpose, if we use any comments, then it will be helpful for you to know how that program executes and for which purpose that program has been written. For that purpose, we will be using the comments. For large and complex softwares, it may require the programmers to work in the teams, and sometimes the program written by one programmer is required to be used or maintained by another programmer. So this especially happens during the projects when many people will be doing a project as a combined work. In that case, each of them will be developing separately. Then, after when they exchange with each others, then it will be very easier for them to know what actually the code and how it works if it has a comments. In such situations, as well as in documentations in the form of comments are needed to understand the working of the program. So why we use the comments? The comments are used for the purpose of explanation of the program, explanation of the input and output statements, explanation of what the program does. In Python, comments will start with hash sign. Everything following the hash line till the end of line is treated as a comment, and the interpreter simply ignores it while executing the statement. So, if you want to use a comment in a program, you need to begin with hash, and whatever you are going to write after the hash, it is considered as a comment till the end of that line. Once you come to the next line, that means once you press the enter key or the return key, you will come to the new line, and that new line will not be considered as a comment only when it starts with hash. Completely till the end of that line is considered as a comment. Now we shall see a program of variable and comment usage in a Python programming language. Now we shall open the Python shell. That is, click on the Windows logo and then click on IDLE Python 3.12 64-bit. So now it will be opening the Python interpreter. That means where you can write the program. So here you just click on file, click on new file. Here, so first I will save the program as save as. I'll give the name as variable demo and extension will be .py or .py or .pyw, because here save as type is there, no, so it will be, since by default it will be in Python files. So click on save, then now write the program. So now I will write a program to demonstrate the usage of comment and usage of the variable. So first I will write an comment. So as I told, the comment will begin with a hash symbol. So I have written hash. Then here I will write to demonstrate. To demonstrate the usage of variables. That means it is a program to demonstrate the usage of variables. Usage of variables. To demonstrate the usage of variables. So up to this it is considered as a comment. Once we press the enter key, now this is not considered as a comment. If you write again here hash, then again it will be considered as a comment. Now here I will write a variable. For example, my is equal to, within a double quotes I will write my name as Nagarjun B, double quotes close. Then in the next line just I will display my name, print within a bracket, just write the variable name. So variable name is my, close the bracket. So just it will be displaying the name when you execute the program. Similarly, I will take another one number that is another one variable as user ID is equal to 101. Then I will print that one also. Print bracket open. If I write within a single quotes user ID is single quotes close comma. So whatever you are going to write within a single quotes, it will be displayed as it is in the print. After that, the value has to be displayed. So to display the value, you can just write user ID, which has been declared here. User ID, this one, user ID. So that I have written here. Close the bracket. Now I will save this particular program. Click on save. Then now click on run or press F5. So now you can see the output. It is displaying Nagarjun B. User ID is 101. Similarly, we'll write another one program to demonstrate another one usage of a variable. Okay, so just I will write a program to find the sum of two numbers. Hash, that is a comment to find the sum of two numbers. Program to find sum of two numbers. Press enter. Again have pressed the enter. Simply no need of pressing 2 points and enter key. Just to make it a neater way or in an attractive way, have just pressed enter key. So now I will declare a variable called num1 is equal to 10. Enter. Num2 is equal to 20. Then I will calculate. So these two are the variables, num1 and num2. It has been initialized with the value 10 and 20. Then I will calculate the sum. Sum is equal to num1 plus num2. Okay, sum is equal to, or else if you want you can write sum of 2. Okay, sum of 2 is equal to num1 plus num2. Press enter. Now we want to display the output. So the output can be displayed by using print. Print within a bracket, within a single quotes, I will write sum of two numbers is single quotes close comma. So that variable is sum of 2. Close the bracket. Now click on file, click on save. So I'll save the program name as sum of 2 num. That means sum of two numbers. Click on save. Then now click on run. So it will show the output. The sum of two numbers is 30. So if you change the value here 100, and this one I will make it as 10. So just I will save that one by using a shortcut key Ctrl S, and to run just press F5. It will display the output as 110. So you can see the output it is displaying as 110. So these two are the just a simple program to show you how to use a variable and how to use the comment. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends, gain the knowledge and rule the world. In simple, variable is an object which has been assigned a value and is stored in it. And what is a comment? A comment is nothing but which starts with a hash symbol. Everything following the hash till the end of the line will be treated as a comment, and it will be ignored by the interpreter while executing the statement.